In the age of big data and cloud computing, as the core, carrier, and terminal processor of all information, data centers are expanding rapidly all around the globe, the 24/7 cooling of which has become vital to the stability of non-stopping data centers. Based on more than 20 years of successful research and experience in the field of environmental systems cooling, Shenling is fully equipped to provide the design and implementation of design center cooling solutions. Committed to build energy-efficient, environmentally friendly, and intelligently managed data centers. There are different types and generations of cooling solutions and products at room, row, and rack level for the expansion of data centers. To address the increasing battles between hyperpyretic application and energy consumption, Shenling has invested a huge amount of resources in the research, design, and implementation of a new generation of component-level cooling solutions, which can achieve 80% reduction in cooling energy consumption and over 40% reduction in total energy consumption for data centers, and help to achieve the overall PUE in centers to be lower than 1.15. Shenling also has various kinds of innovative cooling solutions and products for data centers, which provide comprehensive and optimal total solutions for heat dissipation in every very environment of data centers. With the support by excellent R&D competency, design ability, manufacturing techniques, project implementation, smart customer services, Shenling provides one-stop style cooling solutions and service. Excellent solutions and outstanding services have helped Shenling obtain a number of various industrial awards. Shenling has earned the recognition from more and more partners in the environment cooling field. Shenling Data Center Cooling Solutions. Keep your thinking cool.